Alright, so here's something cool I want to show you. I've got this README file here. It explains the structure of my project, but I want to turn it into a visual diagram. So instead of building it manually in Drawio, I'm going to let GitHub Copilot Agent do the work. So I open my terminal and type, make sure that this is GitHub Copilot in the agent mode. I'm gonna type in Copilot Agent generate diagram from README in Draw.io format. Hit enter, and now it's doing its things. And now we wait a few seconds. I'm gonna pause the video now and come back when it's done. Okay, it just gave me a Drawio file in XML format. This is the native format used by Draw.io. It stores all the diagram data, the visual elements, their positioning, styling, and how everything is connected. Let's open it up in Draw.io. And there it is, a full diagram based on the README. Not bad, right? Honestly, I'm kinda impressed. Copilot just saved me like 30 minutes. Definitely worth trying out if you're documenting anything technical. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.